Greetings. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to configuring the NPV Tunnel application on an Android device. The configuration will leverage an SSH, secure shell, tunnel, employing TLS, transport layer security, and a custom payload, with SSH account credentials sourced from the fast SSH service. This setup will establish a secure and encrypted internet connection. Begin by installing the NPV Tunnel application. 1. Open the Google Play Store. Access the Google Play Store application on your Android device. 2. Search for NPV Tunnel. In the search bar, type NPV Tunnel. 3. Install the app. Identify the correct application and tap Install to download and install it. With the application installed, proceed to configure the SSH tunnel. 1. Open NPV Tunnel. Launch the NPV Tunnel application. 2. Tap Add Configuration or plus locate and tap the option labeled Add Configuration or a plus symbol to initiate the creation of a new configuration profile. 3. Select Add Config manually. Choose the Add Config manually option to configure the settings manually. 4. Choose SSH config. Select SSH config as the configuration type. 5. Select Protocol SSH TLS Payload. Select SSH TLS Payload as the protocol to configure the connection subsequently. Acquire the necessary SSH credentials from the fast SSH service. 1. Open a web browser. Launch a web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, on your device. 2. Search for fast SSH. In your preferred search engine, enter fast SSH. 3. Open the fast SSH website. Select the official fast SSH website from the search results. 4. Complete human verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the required human verification procedures. 5. Select SSH WS. Select the SSH WS option to continue. 6. Choose a server location. Select the server location you would like to use. 7. Tap Create SSH Account. Tap the button to create the account. 8. Enter username. Enter the username you would like to use. 9. Enter password. Enter the password you would like to use. 10. Verify I'm not a robot. Check the option to prove you are not a robot. 11. Tap Create Account. Tap the button to create your account. 12. Copy SSH host/IP address. Copy the SSH server host/IP address. 13. Copy SSH username. Copy the username for your SSH account. 14. Copy SSH password. Copy the password for your SSH account. Next, input the SSH credentials into the NPV Tunnel application. 1. Return to NPV Tunnel. Reopen the NPV Tunnel application. 2. Paste SSH host/IP. In the SSH host/IP field, paste the SSH server address acquired from fast SSH. 3. Enter port. Enter the appropriate port number for the SSH server. Common ports include 443 HTTPS and 80 HTTP. 4. Leave UDP port default. Leave the UDP port default. 5. Paste SSH username. In the SSH username field, paste the username obtained from fast SSH. 6. Paste SSH password. In the SSH password field, paste the password obtained from fast SSH. 7. Enter a working SNI. Provide a valid server name indication, SNI, in the designated field. This is typically the host name of a reputable website, e.g., google.com. 8. Copy payload from SSH site. Go back to the fast SSH website and copy the payload. 9. Paste payload in NPV Tunnel. Go back to the NPV Tunnel application and paste the payload. 10. Save a configuration. Save a configuration. Finally, with all settings configured, save the configuration and initiate the connection. 1. Select the saved config. Select the configuration you just created. 2. Tap Connect. Tap the Connect button to establish the SSH tunnel. Troubleshooting considerations. Connection failures. If connection problems arise, meticulously verify the accuracy of all entered settings, including the SSH host, port, username, password, SNI, and payload. Confirm that the SSH server is operational and reachable. Payload incompatibilities. If the connection is unsuccessful, the payload may be outdated or unsuitable. Obtain an updated payload from a trusted source. Authentication errors. Double-check the SSH username and password to ensure their accuracy. SNI resolution issues. Ensure that the specified SNI is valid and resolves correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully configured NPV Tunnel on your Android device, utilizing an SSH account obtained from Fast SSH. I trust that this tutorial has proven beneficial. Should you encounter any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below.